Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 34. We are still in Unit 3, Lesson 6, Writing. Prepare to write. Activity 1, complete the block with the correct letter A to F. So as you can see here, so this is a block interface. And let's take a look on 3rd of August. So, hi. My name's Rob. Welcome to my blog. Right now, so the answer given already D. So right now, I'm at adventure camp. So D. It's really cold. I'm with my cousins, Lee and Gamma. And number 2 here, like kayaking. So this is number 2. So as you can see here, you can choose the answers. So let's try the F. So we have done lots of exciting things. So this is the answer, the F. And then it was amazing. So maybe we cross this one. So meaning we already used it up. So it was amazing, but I was a bit scared too. And number 3. So number 3 is A. So stay with me and follow our adventures. So this block, so maybe Rob separate to other day. So it's separate to 2 days here. So it stated stay with me. So number 3 is A. So A here. And follow our adventures. And then we go to 5th of August. Wow. So number 4. So what a fantastic day. So this is C. So what a fantastic day. I've been horse riding and I've climbed a mountain. The views from the top were amazing. Tomorrow we are going to camp in the forest for the night. So number 5. So it's E. I've never slept in the forest before. So this answer is E. Or put up a tent. So I'm feeling nervous. So number 6. See you later. So B. And then let's take a look on this activity 2. So I maximize it a bit. So again, activity 2. Plan a blog about an adventure camp. Use your mind map from page 33, activity 1, and complete the notes. So as maybe you watched my video before on page 33. So the date, now I write as 11 May. So the 11 is not superscript, so it's on the same line with the number. So 11 May. And then opening. So opening, maybe you can refer to block here. So you can also refer this one. So hi, my name is. So maybe you change another name, and I will use the auxiliary verb in full. So rather than apostrophe s. So I will choose. So now I write hi. My name is Eric. So this is just an example. My name is Eric. And then welcome to my blog. And then next line, where I'm at adventure camp in, so Braga. So we already have full stop here, if you notice. And then who with, so I'm with my friends. So their name, David and Justin. And then activity 1, kayaking. So this is just notes, and you don't have to write full sentence. So kayaking. So another one is flying fox ride. So later I will write it. So I write it now. So flying fox ride. So the first alphabet is uppercase. So FF will be in uppercases. So flying fox ride. And then what happened for activity 1? So maybe you can say sat inside a tiny space. Was uncomfortable. Comfortable. And then feelings or opinions. It was amazing. So amazing. And then but I was a bit scared too. So you may refer to activity 1 above. But I was a bit scared too. And then exclamation mark. Then flying fox ride, what happened? So this is just suggested answer. So flying, I put quotation marks. So flying above the ground. The ground was fun. And then feelings or opinions, I write it as I'm feeling nervous. Then finish. So finish your blog. You can state it as what a fantastic day. Fantastic day. And then exclamation mark. So maybe you need to explain further. So you can say I would like to experience more adventures in the future. So that's it for today. So you will need to use these notes here in order to complete the block on page 35. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 34. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot that I developed